Alright guys, we're at Toronto International Airport. We're parked here. It was busier before, but now it kind of got quiet. Got my SDSs here.
For the sequence, just proceed from the gate.
Monitoring local fire in the town of Mississauga and Brampton. Monitoring the Air Canada internal communications at the airport.
Their name is going to be but still looking for 240 for some reason. 2005. Different. Okay, copy. My guys just went to go find another loader.
And monitoring tower and arrivals on these two radios.
112 full right. Contact ground on 1219.
The owner did say he had his phone in his hand the whole time, and there was only one phone call made to him. Unsure what the contact miscommunication is. Area 115 clear and available at 1001. Roger, 115.
It was China Eastern Airlines. And a bus decided to stop right in front of the view.
1060.
Yeah, 708 to send it 4000.
This guy wants that shot. This guy wants that $1 million shot.
I just got it 205.
He's got it.
Put it on for. New Zealand. You're in New Zealand tag, but the passenger flew on Air Canada. It should say Toronto on it. Okay. Can I get like a description of the bag? Like how it looks? Yeah, it's a black card show.
Alright. Let's take off. The hell? Look at the power. Wow. Oh my God. Alright, we'll listen to Air Canada 70 and Air Transat.
Somebody's starting, maybe, it's not early.
We'll listen to their business and see what they're up to.
Yeah, 708, contact arrival on 12447.
Let's save the battery. If you push the power button once, it only lights up when there's a signal coming through. Alright guys, let's see what happens.
Air Canada 460, caution, we turn from the 777 with a 305, so take off on 123. Take off Air Canada 460.
There we go. Turned on.
I'm on my way to check 27 Delta and Frank.
Air Transat 513, contact arrival on 12447. 12447, good as 12513.
It's a rainy day. It's cold. We're here in Toronto.
Air Transat 287, arrival on runway 24 left, altimeter 2982, descend to 8000.
Tron. Samantha is calling. I'm going to bring one or two straight to Byron right now.